Let's start with the activity, and for that we will first take a matchbox. Right? We are making this secret chamber using this matchbox. Okay? So first of all, what we need to do is we need to paint it. Right? So quickly I am going to paint it, and I am taking white color here. So you can maybe take any color, but I think white gives a nice base to the whole thing, right? Here I am putting the first coat because our this thing is very slippery. I am first giving it a very light coat of acrylic colors. If you have fabric colors, if you have fabric color or maybe some other color, if you're using poster color, then just mix it with fevicol, otherwise the color will come out. Okay, so I'm just giving it a light wash in the first coat. We'll anyways have to give it some 2 to 3 coats to have a finished look, right? And this you can see is already white, so I am not going to paint this. I am only going to paint the inside part, right? Yes, I'll keep it here and then paint the inside part. Okay, so now I am ready with my box, and I have given it to 3 to 4 coats to have a nice white color, right? And now I am going to take a golden sheet of paper, and now I am going to take this, okay, and take the size of this box. a little smaller than that one. Okay, so what I'm doing is I am taking it of the equal size. Okay, so I'll quickly cut this. And now I'm going to cut it a little more from both. So actually I wanted a kind of a border around this green sheet that is of golden color. So now I'm picking this and then I'm placing this. You see how nice and beautiful it is looking, right? I think I want it a little more shorter than this. So I'm again chopping it like this from the two sides, and now I have got this, right? This is what I want. Now on this I am going to stick this flower. Okay, and yes, it's already looking so beautiful, right? So I am quickly going to stick all of them together. Okay, so now once we are done with this, and let's keep it for drying. And meanwhile, what we are doing is we are going to create a secret message for our brother. Okay, so I am taking a marker and just writing inside my matchbox. So now let's open the secret chamber and put our message inside. And we're done. Whenever your brother will open the Rakhi, he'll get this message and he'll open it and see it. Right? So now to complete our Rakhi, what we are going to do is, this is our message, and with the help of a punching machine, what I'm going to do is, I am going to make a hole. Maybe you will have a single hole machine, but now I'm going to make a hole in the center. Okay, so like that I am going to make the hole again in the center. Right, so we have got holes in both the sides, and we are going to, and what we are going to do is, we are going to use our moly thread. So for this, what I am doing is, I am taking this much of Rakhi. I am taking this much of thread, this much of long thread, and I am going to double it, and I am going to triple it. So this much thread we'll want, and now I'm going to cut this. Okay, so now this